Hey YouTube, this is the commercial for the Bowcats adventure that's coming out probably Friday, Thursday. So I'll make it every day. I'll promise, but if it's not uploading every day, that means I'm doing something important. So, um, yeah. So if Also, Kate Sum, you should watch her. She just uploaded a video today, so yeah, I think you should watch it. It's pretty cool, and it features me and her at my house. So, and there's my dog. Wait, where'd my dog go? Pickle, smile. Look at the camera. No camera. It's a good joke. So, yeah. It will be uploaded Thursday. This is the commercial. The commercial will be on in 1 minute. Or probably later. Bye!